Have you ever felt that you suggested one radiographic view of your patient and you found nothing significant in it and you ended up thinking that x-rays are not helpful? If yes, then there is a reason behind it. Basically, the x-rays are two-dimensional image of the three-dimensional object, and our patient falls into the category of three-dimensional objects. So when we are recommending only one radiographic view for the particular region, we are seeing it from only one side. So we are supposed to miss the lesion from the other side. So that is why in the radiology, as per the golden rule, always two radiographic views are recommended, because these radiographic views are taken at the 90-degree of each other, so it gives us more clarity about that particular region. So next time when you are going to suggest radiograph for the particular region, make sure that you are recommending at least two radiographic views for that particular region to make your x-ray more conclusive. So I hope you like this video. So please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's contribute together in serving our community. Thank you.